Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing how to grow your nails in 3 days at home. Here I'm using only natural ingredients which are easily available in everybody's kitchen. I make this video in Hindi as well a few months ago where I got so many requests from you guys. Please make it in English, please make it in Tamil, please make it in any other so many languages. So first of all, I really don't know Tamil and any other languages. I just know Hindi, English and Punjabi. So here I'm making this video in English for you guys so that you can understand it better and use the remedy and also take advantages of the benefits. Okay. So second thing, most important, that I got so many complaints why you talk so fast, why you like speak so fast, we unable to understand, we don't understand. So in this video I'll try to speak slow as much as I can so that you can understand each and everything, every step very clearly. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, let's talk about the process and the ingredients which we require. First of all, take a bowl and put some warm water in it and then add a few drops of sweet almond oil. This much is enough. After that, put your hands in the same water for around 5 to 7 minutes. Make sure your nails are properly dipped inside the water. If you don't have sweet almond oil, you can use a coconut oil. This oil helps to makes your cuticles soft and helps to grow your nails more healthier. After 5 or 7 minutes, take your hands out and then don't wipe off or don't wash your hands. Make sure the oil which is on your fingers, just rub the nail tips, fingertips with another hand for 2 to 3 minutes so that all absorb into your nails very well. In this way, you can massage in circular motions on all nails like this. Okay, after that, clean your fingers with your hands, and then the most important and the main ingredients of this remedy is a few slices of garlic. Garlic contain a selenium, which is a crucial blockage building for your nails, as well as it work as an antioxidant which helps to grow a healthy nails. You just have to take a few slices of garlic and then take one slice and then rub on your nail like this. After done for all fingers, then wash your hands or you can wipe off your fingers. After wash off your hands, use a good moisturizer, any moisturizer you can use to get rid of garlic smell, and that's it. Most important thing here, I'm going to clear few of your doubts, your questions which you guys asked me in the comment section. First of all, for how many days we can use this remedy? You can use this remedy once or twice a week, or it depends on your nail growth. Sometimes people's nail growth are like very slow. It took sometimes them 15 days, 1 month. So it depends on your nail growth, or one or twice is enough. If your nail growth is very slow, then use it twice a week. If your nail growth is like medium or fast like me, then use this once time in a week. Second thing, if you don't have sweet almond oil, then what are the other options? If you don't have sweet almond oil, then please use coconut oil. Rest olive oil, tea tree oil, any other oil you cannot use. Just sweet almond oil or coconut oil. Add few drops. And third question, can we use cold water? No, you cannot use. Use warm water for better results. Fourth question, some people said that can we add salt to this remedy? The remedy which I told you, you don't need any salt. You just need simple warm water. and few drops of almond oil. Fifth question, people said why you add oil to this water, like what the impact of oil to our nails. Oil gives a good moisturizer to our nails. Oil makes our cuticles very soft, and this helps to grow our nails healthy. So that's all for now, guys. I hope I'll clear your all questions, your all doubts. If still anything left, then feel free to ask me in the comment section. So if you find this video helpful or informative, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Bye bye, guys.